Chai. Ready?
We come to the elevator at Matthews Hall at University of North Texas, Denton, Texas. You might think this is just your ordinary average elevator, but wait until you see what's on the inside. I might cut off the wait time for this.
Yeah, it's a really slow elevator.
Here it is. Look at this. Originally used to be a gated elevator.
I filmed this before. I'm just getting a retake.
Alright, here we go. Not sure. Yeah, it's very slow.
I don't think you can go to S or B.
No, you can't. It's locked.
Yeah. I think S or B is where you use this gate.
Yeah, that rear door is for these floors, but you need a key for it.
Yeah.
I don't know what brand this is. Oh, the Baxter and Sons. This is my first Baxter and Sons elevator.
Oh,
I did not.
nice.
This is Baxter and Sons, my very first. I didn't realize this is the Baxter and Sons. This is my very ever first Baxter and Sons elevator.
Nice. I thought it was a United. I forgot it was Baxter and Sons.
Is it okay if I do one more round trip?
Yeah,
One
that's
trip both going up and down.
sure.
Thank you. Sorry. You don't mind if I do a separate video after she's done?
Yeah, go. I might end it
Yeah.
here anyways.
Yeah, because sorry about that. Someone just had